Hello friends, here I am to share an amazing healthy snack. Oil-free sweet potato chips in air fryer. Making chips in air fryer is a breeze. Makes it so easy and crispy in less time. As you know, sweet potato is low in glycemic index. It's so good for diabetes. Promotes eye and gut health as well. Thus you must try this variety. As this is without oil, parboiling the sweet potato doesn't suit this recipe. It will increase air frying time and chips will also get more soggy. Let's get started with my faster and easy way. This sweet potato is good enough for 2 to 3 servings of snack. Skin is also nutritious, so if you want to eat with skin, wash it initially. First, peel off the skin for sweet potato. Then wash it well. Pat dry with kitchen napkin. Cut the edges and slice into thin pieces with sharp knife, or you can use mandolin for even size. Thin or even slicing is the key to air fry less time and keep chips crispy. Let's make simple seasoning mix. Add little salt, pepper and chaat masala for extra flavor. This is optional. Mix all together. Arrange the slices in single layer on air fryer tray. Sprinkle seasoning over slices on top. Or you can mix slices first with seasoning in a bowl. No need to rest these as sweet potatoes don't lose out any juice. Then arrange the slices on tray. Now insert tray into middle of the air fryer. Air fry at 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. My air fryer model preheats first for 3 minutes, so it takes 8 minutes in total. If you notice, slices will start to move a little but won't fly high, so it's still safer. Flip the slices halfway to get perfect crisp on both sides. Resume air frying until timer is done. As you see, slices start to shrink and curl up a bit. Add 1 to 2 minutes extra if you want to keep these more crispy, but make sure chips don't get burnt. Let it cool for a minute for extra crispiness. Repeat the same for next batches. Look at the beautiful color. See you again with many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.